Hello, my name is Speedy Kovo and I'm going to be showing you how to export a single object from a scene as a collada file. As we all know, when we export something, it exports the entire scene, not just the object you've selected. If you want to only have the object that you've selected be exported, you have to move this to a different layer. Press M and then click on the second layer. M. Come on. Oh, silly thing. I don't think this is going to want to work for me today. Right. There. Press N, move to layer. Select the second layer. Here we are. We only have the cube. Now we can export it, and it will only export the cube. There you are. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials.